The Ultimate carryon from Bugatti is made of extra lightweight and resistant polyester. The luggage includes dual spinner wheels, which allow a better stability, and many more features, such as the kicking feet on the back, cushion top and side handle. On the side of luggage, you have one zip pocket that includes two different compartments. Let's say one for your umbrella and the other one for your bottle. Also, the telescopic handle lock in two different positions, which allow smaller and taller person to have it at their size. On the back of luggage, you will find a small hook where you can put your coat or your vest on top of this luggage and hook it by a metal loop that is in the front. So in the front of the luggage, you have a first front zip pocket. But what's mostly interesting is this front compartment, which include a complete organizer panel where you can fit your 15.6-inch laptop. You have a complete organizer panel where you can put your passport, travel document, pencil, and you have a full zip mesh pocket where you can put your cable, charger, and any electronic device. The main compartment includes a padlock system. The lock is not included. So when you open the main compartment of the luggage, on the first panel, you'll find two distinct zip mesh pockets where you can put easy access items. You will find in the second pocket a little bonus item, which can be used as a laundry bag or a shoe bag. On the second compartment, you have, of course, your tightening strap, a zip pocket here on the side, and a detachable wet pocket made of TPU. The pocket is really easy to clean, and you can fit all your toiletry essentials in there.